While apocalyptic invasions don't happen on a daily basis, if you think these threats only exist in movies, think again. Every day, we sit and type away on our beloved laptops, not knowing how unsanitary they actually are. Your laptop harbors millions of bacteria from the unsuspected places you visit. And while we happily go about our day, bacteria can land in the most unexpected ways. Before you know it, they can manifest and infest, just like an unwelcomed pest. But before you resort to your cleaning supplies, there's a better solution. Introducing ASUS Antibacterial Guard, a bacteria-inhibiting silver ion coating. This latest technology, clinically tested by the ISO 22196 standard protocol, has been proved to inhibit bacterial growth by more than 99% over a 24-hour period. And the secret to that? These positively charged silver ions in the coating. By attracting and attaching onto the negatively charged bacterial cells, these silver ions can damage the bacterial structure and impair their abilities to develop and spawn. You know, just your typical opposites attract kind of relationship. Available on ASUS laptops, ASUS Antibacterial Guard protects your laptop for a minimum of 3 years with regular use. Assuring you it's time, you bid farewell to any unwanted pathogens. With top-of-the-class technology and your hygiene in mind, ASUS Antibacterial Guard promises you a cleaner peace of mind, so that wherever you are and whatever you do, you can enjoy the marvels of life without holding anything back. Your health safeguarded. ASUS Antibacterial Guard, a cleaner peace of mind. Find the ASUS Antibacterial Guard sticker on your laptop and its relevant product website for more information about this feature.